How to fix could not add card try again later issue. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Now scroll down. Head towards the option of General. Now go ahead and click on the option of Date and Time. Now toggle on for the option of Set Automatically. Open the option of VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Likewise, head back. Now open this option of Language and Region. Make sure you have checked for the country that you are currently in. Likewise, head back. Now scroll down, click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. Once you reset all the settings, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, head towards this option of Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is open your Apple ID. Now click on the option of Sign In and Security. Now click on the option of Change Password. Now type in your phone's passcode. Now you have to type in new password for your account and then click on Change. Once you change your password, you have to first restart your iPhone. For that, you will need to press and quick release the volume up button, press and quick release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Once you first restart your iPhone, again launch your settings. At the very top, you'll find the option of Sign In. Type in your Apple ID and password and log into your account. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix could not add card try again later, or contact your card issuer for more information. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.